Hello everyone, this is Tausif Patel from Fatima Product Solutions. Today is 30th Jan 2022 and the time is 12:44 p.m. right now. Okay, so today we will let know the basic parameters of Schneider VFD Atv310. We will going to study 4 basic and important parameters which are required to run this VFD. The first is R1 assignment, that is relay assignment. The second is reverse direction assignment. The third is high speed or maximum frequency, and the last and the fourth is testing with no load. Before discussing all the 4 parameters, I will just show you the basic terminals of this VFD. So let's start. This is VFD Schneider Atv310 in front of the screen. This one is port which is integrated with this display. This is the front cover. We can open this. Mode, escape, run and stop. These are 3 terminals: L1, L2, L3 input power, and this one T1, T2 and T3 output power. Okay, this is the relay. The first parameter we will going to set is R1 assignment. This is R1 relay, R1A, R1B, R1C. The C terminal is the common terminal, R1A is the NO and R1B is the NC. You can see it here also. R1A is the NO, R1B is NC and R1C is common. And we will accordingly assign the relay at which parameter or at which condition this relay will going to work. Okay, the next is this terminal 5 volt analog input 1 and common, and this is analog output 1. This terminal is a remote terminal for potentiometer, not for this one. This is the integrated port. It is also used for setting the parameters. It is also used as an enter key. You can see this. I'm just pressing this enter key. So it's a dual terminal. It is used as a port as well as it is used as an enter terminal. Okay, port is like this. You can write it directional, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, so this is the 3 terminals: 5 volt analog input 1 and common for potentiometer, which is mounted on your panel door. Okay, the next, this one is plus 25 volt. You can get it from the VFD, and common in this one L1, Li1, Li2, Li3 and Li4. These are 4 distinct terminals for assigning the forward, the reverse conditions of the drive. Okay, so first one we will going to assign the R1 assignment. This one R1 relay. Okay, so I have made some parameter list. I can show you this one. R1 assignment. Okay, what are the steps? The first steps is we have to go to configuration, then press enter, then full, then press enter, then we have to go to 200. That's the parameter number for R1 assignment, then press enter. Then we have to go to 205, then press enter, and then we have to switch it to 02. What is 02? Okay, we will just see in the parameter list, standard parameter list of the Schneider. Okay, 02 205. Where's 205? Okay, here is 205. Okay, 205 and 02 drive run. If we set 205 202, then your relay 1 will be assigned to drive run. When the drive runs, then your relay will be activated. Relay R1 will be activated. Okay, so we will set it to 02 and then press enter, and your R1 is configured. Okay, so we will just see it in real time. Okay, let's see here. What is the first thing you have to do? Go to configuration, CONF. Okay, I told you before also, it is used for configuring parameter also. It is used as a potentiometer also. It is used as an enter button also. Okay, so I will just press enter. Okay, when the display shows REF, it is a reference, then I will move it in. Okay, and then I will move it into clockwise direction 800, then another clockwise direction CONF. Okay, then I will press enter. Then I am getting 301, but I will not go into 301. I want full parameter list, so I have to just search for full, then rotate it to clockwise direction 401 501 9.1 512.0 512.2 302 305 204 101 2, then full. Okay, we got full, and press enter. Okay, here's the list for 100. We have to go to 200. Okay, then move it to 200 in clockwise direction. Okay, we got 200, then press enter. Then we are getting 201, but we have to assign R1 relay shows parameter of 205. Then we have to go to 205 202 203 204 and 205. Okay, then press enter. Okay, it is assigned to 1, but no, we want to assign it to 02. 02 means drive run. Okay, 02, we'll press enter. Okay, so your 205, that is your R1 relay, is assigned to drive run. Okay, then press escape. Then your R1 relay is assigned to drive run. Okay, then the second parameter. What is the second parameter? The second parameter is reverse direction assignment. What are the steps? The steps, we have to go to configuration CONF, then press enter. Then we have to go to full, then press enter. Then we have to go to 500, then press enter. Then we have to go to 503. Okay, 503. Then it is written that after 503 we have to assign it to L2H, then press enter. What is 503? We will see in the parameter list. 503, this is 200 series. Okay, we got it here. 503, the reverse direction. Okay, then 503 reverse direction L1H L2H. We will assign L2H as reverse direction, and L1H will be by default forward direction. Okay, where is L1H and L2H? Here is L1 and here is L2. Okay, L1 for forward and Li2 for reverse. Okay, so what's the configuration here? We have to go to configure, press enter, then turn it clockwise, then clockwise. Okay, configure, enter. Then we have to press enter full. Then we have to go to 500 and turn it clockwise, 500, press enter. Then we have to go to 503, 501, 502, 503, then press enter. Then we have to assign it to L1H, L2H. L2 is reverse direction, then press enter. Then 503 has been assigned to L2H. That means L2, this terminal Li2 is, it will work as a reverse direction terminal, and Li1 will be working as power direction terminal. Okay, then press escape. Okay, the next parameter, the third parameter is the high speed or maximum frequency of the cell. In India, we are using IEC, International Electrical Codes, which will define frequency maximum as 50 Hz. But in European countries, they use NEMA, which uses frequency maximum as 60 Hz. So accordingly, we will set the frequency. Okay. What are the steps? The steps, we have to repeat it. We have to go to configuration, then press enter, then full, then press enter, then go to 500, then press enter, then go to 512.2, 512.2, okay, 512.2, then 50 Hz, set it to 50 Hz, then press enter. Okay, what is 512.2? We'll see in the parameter list of Schneider. Okay, 512.2. 512, we got here 512.1. Here is 512.2. okay, the 512.2 high speed, what it is written, low speed to maximum frequency, 50 Hz to 60 Hz according to standard motor frequency. High speed or we can define it as maximum frequency. Okay, so let's start the configuration. What are the steps? Press enter, then turn it clockwise until we get the full, then turn it clockwise. Okay, then configuration, then we got the full, then press enter. Then we have to go to parameter 500, turn it clockwise, 200, turn it clockwise, 300, turn it clockwise, 400, turn it clockwise, 500, press enter. Turn it clockwise until you get 512.2. Clockwise, clockwise, clockwise. Turn it. Okay. 511, 512, 512. Okay, we have to enter 512. Press enter. Then in 512 we can get 512.1, 0.2, 0.3, etc. Okay. Then turn it clockwise, 512.1. Then turn it clockwise, 512.2. Then press enter. Okay, it is already set as for 50 Hz. So if you want to set it as 60 Hz, then you should rotate the pot to clockwise to set it to 60 Hz. Then press enter. If you want to set it to 50 Hz, then press enter, then rotate to anti-clockwise and set it to 50 Hz accordingly. Then press enter, then press escape. So your maximum frequency will not go beyond 50 Hz. But before setting 50 Hz, you have to make sure that your motor nameplate has the frequency mentioned 50 Hz to 60 Hz. According to the motor nameplate, you have to set the frequency. Okay, then the maximum frequency is set. Then we will come to the last parameter. What is the last parameter? Testing with no load. Okay, if you want to test the VFD with no motor or no load, then without changing this parameter, you cannot check the VFD in the run mode, because when the load is not there at the output, a motor is not connected at the output, your VFD will start as a freewheeling device for 2 seconds or 1 second, and then it will go in the trip position. So if you want to check the VFD with no load or no motor, then we have to enter or configure this parameter, testing with no load. So the first is configuration, press enter, then go to full, then press enter, then 600, then press enter, then 605, then we have to define as 00, then press enter. Okay, now check it out. What is 605? 605, okay, 605 is here. 605 output phase loss. 00 means deactivated and 01 tripping, then free will stop. Okay, if it is set to 01 and the motor is not connected, then the VFD will start for few seconds, 1 or 2 seconds, then it will trip. If it is set to 00, then irrespective of the motor connected or not, your VFD will run. If your motor is still connected and it is 00, then also your motor will be activated or VFD will be activated. Okay, then we'll start the configuration of 605 output phase loss. Okay, so first we will press enter, clockwise, then configuration, then full, clockwise, then we have to go to 600, and we want parameter changes in 605, then we clockwise. Okay, this is 605, press enter. Okay, it is already set to 01, so we have to deactivate the output phase loss, then put it anti-clockwise the pot, then set it to 00, press enter, then escape. Like this you can test the VFD without connecting any load. So this is the basic parameter we had discussed for Schneider Atv310. Okay, thanks for the support and thanks for the video. I hope you like the video, and if you have any query, please share with us at fpts.mumbai@gmail.com. I repeat, at fpts.mumbai@gmail.com. Thank you.